Have you ever stood in front of a bathroom mirror and wondered, how does a simple piece of glass become something that reflects perfectly? Because here's something surprising. A mirror isn't simply polished glass. In fact, the glass itself isn't what creates the reflection. The real magic happens on the back of the glass, where ultra-thin layers of metal are applied with incredible precision. We're talking about giant sheets of crystal clear glass, robotic cutting machines, chemical silver coating, protective paint layers, precision polishing, and automated inspection systems that can detect even the tiniest scratch. And the craziest part? Modern mirror factories can produce thousands of mirrors every single day. That means while you're watching this video, entire walls of glass are being transformed into bathroom mirrors somewhere in the world. But how does ordinary sand become perfectly reflective glass? How does a transparent sheet become the mirror hanging in your bathroom? Today, we're going behind the scenes inside a modern mirror factory to discover the complete journey, from raw materials to the finished mirror ready for your home. And trust me, some parts of this manufacturing process are far more fascinating than most people imagine. Let's begin. Introduction. A mirror seems incredibly simple. It's just a piece of shiny glass, right? Well, not exactly. A modern bathroom mirror is the result of several highly controlled manufacturing processes. First, factories must create perfectly flat glass. Then, they transform that transparent glass into a reflective surface. Finally, the mirror is strengthened, protected, cut, polished, inspected, and packaged. Every stage must be incredibly precise, because even a tiny scratch, a small bubble, or a slight distortion can ruin the reflection. Think about it. Every morning, millions of people rely on mirrors to shave, apply makeup, brush their teeth, or simply check their appearance. That means every mirror must provide a perfectly clear image. So, how do factories make that happen? Let's break the process down step by step. Making the glass. Everything starts with one surprisingly common ingredient: sand. But not just any sand. Factories use extremely pure silica sand, along with soda ash, limestone, and several other minerals. These ingredients are carefully measured, then mixed together. Next, the mixture enters a massive industrial furnace. Inside, temperatures reach around 1,600 degrees Celsius, 2,900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to completely melt the materials into glowing liquid glass. Imagine honey, except it's hotter than molten lava. Adding the reflective coating. Now the real transformation begins. First, the glass is washed thoroughly. Powerful cleaning machines remove every tiny particle of dust, oil, or dirt. Even a fingerprint could ruin the coating. After cleaning, the glass enters a special coating line. Here, the back surface receives an ultra-thin layer of silver. This is the part that creates the reflection. Special spraying systems apply a chemical silver solution evenly across the entire surface. Within seconds, the transparent glass begins transforming into a mirror. It's almost like watching magic happen. But silver alone isn't enough, because silver can corrode over time. So factories immediately apply a layer of copper or another protective coating. Then, several layers of durable paint are added. These paint layers protect the delicate metal from moisture, scratches, and corrosion. This is especially important for bathroom mirrors, where steam and humidity are common every day. Once the protective coating's dry, the mirror is ready for cutting. Cutting, polishing, and shaping. Now, giant mirror sheets enter automated cutting machines. Computer-controlled cutters score the glass with incredible precision. Then, The glass breaks perfectly along those lines. It looks surprisingly easy, but every cut must be exact. Otherwise, the mirror won't fit its frame. Next, the sharp edges are removed. Large polishing machines grind the edges smooth. This makes the mirror much safer to handle. Some mirrors receive decorative beveled edges. Others are given rounded corners. Premium bathroom mirrors may even receive additional treatments. Some factories drill mounting holes. Others install LED lighting, anti-fog heating pads, touch-sensitive switches, or smart mirrors with built-in displays. Every option requires incredible precision. Slowly, the mirror begins looking exactly like the one you might have at home. But before leaving the factory, it still has one important test to pass. Inspection, packaging, and shipping. Every mirror now enters quality control. Bright inspection lights reveal even the smallest defects. Workers and automated cameras check for scratches, dust particles, coating problems, color consistency, reflection quality, edge damage, and dimensional accuracy. Even tiny imperfections can cause rejection. Next, protective film is applied to the front surface. Corner protectors are added. Then, foam sheets separate each mirror during shipping. Some mirrors are packed individually. Others are boxed in large protective crates. Finally, the mirrors are loaded onto trucks and shipped to furniture stores, home improvement centers, construction companies, and homes around the world. From ordinary sand to something millions of people use every single day. Pretty amazing, right? But that's only part of the story.
What's really happening inside? Modern mirror factories rely heavily on automation. Laser sensors constantly measure glass thickness. Robotic arms move enormous sheets weighing hundreds of kilograms. Computer systems monitor temperatures, chemical mixtures, coating thickness, and production speed. Dust control is one of the biggest challenges. Even a tiny speck trapped beneath the silver coating could create a permanent defect. Factories also recycle enormous amounts of leftover glass. Broken pieces are melted down and reused. This reduces waste, saves energy, and helps protect the environment. Behind every mirror, there is a combination of chemistry, glass science, mechanical engineering, and advanced robotics.
Simple comparison. Think about wrapping a present. The gift inside stays the same, but adding shiny wrapping paper completely changes how it looks. A mirror works in a similar way. The glass itself stays transparent, but adding a thin, reflective metal coating transforms it into something completely different. Without that invisible layer, it would simply be another window. Interesting facts. Fact 1. The reflective silver layer inside a mirror is usually much thinner than a human hair, yet it creates nearly perfect reflections. Fact 2. Some modern bathroom mirrors include built-in LED lights, Bluetooth speakers, touch controls, digital clocks, and anti-fog heating systems. They're much more than just mirrors. Fact 3. Large mirror factories can manufacture thousands of mirrors every day. Some production lines create one finished mirror every few seconds. Pretty incredible for something we use every morning without even thinking about it. Conclusion. So now you know the real truth about how bathroom mirrors are made. It starts with pure silica sand, then melting, float glass production, silver coating, protective painting, precision cutting, polishing, inspection, and finally, packaging. And honestly, once you understand the process, you'll never look at a mirror the same way again. The next time you stand in front of your bathroom mirror, remember, you're looking at the result of advanced chemistry, glass engineering, precision manufacturing, and modern factory automation. So, what surprised you the most? The molten tin process? The invisible silver coating? Or how much technology is hidden inside something that looks so simple? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes journey into mirror manufacturing, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and join us for more amazing process explanation videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Conclusion. So now you know the real truth about how bathroom mirrors are made. It starts with pure silica sand, then melting, float glass production, silver coating, protective painting, precision cutting, polishing, inspection, and finally, packaging. And honestly, once you understand the process, you'll never look at a mirror the same way again. The next time you stand in front of your bathroom mirror, remember, you're looking at the result of advanced chemistry, glass engineering, precision manufacturing, and modern factory automation. So, what surprised you the most? The molten tin process? The invisible silver coating? Or how much technology is hidden inside something that looks so simple? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes journey into mirror manufacturing, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and join us for more amazing process explanation videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.